Today I'm going to walk you through the best picture settings to get the absolute best cinematic viewing experience on your Sony TV. Trust me, these tweaks will make a huge difference. Now, grab your remote and open the settings menu from the bottom of your screen. Scroll over to Picture Mode. For everyday use, set Picture Mode to Standard. But if you're watching movies or cinematic content, switch it to Cinema Mode for a warmer, film-like tone. Also, if you have any HDMI devices connected, make sure Auto Picture Mode is turned off. Next, go into Picture Settings, Brightness. If you're watching SDR content, adjust brightness according to your room's lighting. But for HDR content, set brightness to max. That's where you'll get those punchy highlights. Then, go to Contrast and set it around 80. Going too high or too low can cause you to lose details in bright or dark areas. Under Gamma, increasing it makes your image brighter, reducing it darkens the picture. Adjust it to your liking. Black level should stay at 50. That's the default and most accurate setting. Next, turn off Black Adjust. This feature artificially darkens shadows and brightens highlights, which can distort the image. Also, turn off Advanced Contrast Enhancer. It automatically changes your contrast and can override your manual settings. Now, open the Color Settings menu. You'll see color and hue. Leave these at default, but if you want a bit more vividness, you can bump color up slightly, from the default 60 to about 70. Then, go to Color Temperature. The best options here are Expert 1 or Expert 2. These settings give you accurate tones, especially for whites and blues, compared to the warm or neutral options. Lastly, set Live Color to low or off. This feature oversaturates colors and can make the image look unnatural. Now, move to the Clarity section. Under Sharpness, avoid cranking it up too high. That causes artificial edges and noise. Setting it around 60, medium, is perfect for a clean, detailed picture. Then, open Reality Creation. This feature uses AI to enhance lower quality videos, like 720p or older content. If you're watching such videos, you can leave it on. But for most high-quality 4K content, it's best to turn it off to avoid overprocessing. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.